This guide will help you resolve audio desync issues in Apex Legends. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the audio settings in Apex Legends and ensure that the audio output device is correctly set to your headphones or speakers. Adjust the volume levels to make sure they are not muted or set too low. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Install the updates and restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the game launcher like Origin or Steam and find the option to verify the integrity of game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix audio issues. Step 4. Adjust Windows audio settings. Right-click the sound icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Under the Playback tab, select your audio device, click Properties, and then navigate to the Advanced tab. Change the default format to a low quality and test the game again. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may interfere with the game's audio. This includes voice chat programs, music players, or any other software that uses audio resources. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Apex Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.